Everything Diamond Painting. Guess what time it is? It's Christmas in July. I'm all dressed up for the holiday. Today I've already unboxed, but I'm going to show you another Christmas painting that I got from Day's Dream that I'm going to use for one of the events going on out there in Facebook land. So let's go. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, this is Joy from Everything Diamond Painting, and this really isn't an unboxing. I just wanted to show you my other painting that came in from Day's Dream. This is the box it came in, and that box came in this box, okay? And it's on here it says 50 by 50, and it's crystal rhinestones, and it's Santa's sleigh. And I am just really impressed with this picture. I didn't think it was going to be so good. I don't know why, but there's Santa Claus, and Santa Claus and his bags of toys here. And look at the reindeer. Aren't they cute? Look at the reindeer. And they're going up into the sky. And this painting is going to be all crystal too. So just imagine all this stuff in here shining, and the shiny sled. It's going to be really pretty. So I'm looking forward to doing it. And I guess I didn't really pay much attention to the size of it. I just liked the picture, so I bought it, but it really is a good size. Yeah, really good size. Something that's fun to work on. So here's the legend. You see all that? All the colors. Well, here's the picture of it, a good picture. What it's going to look like when it's done. See that? And maybe, like I always do, have to make this a little bit closer. There we go. All right, so maybe we can see the picture now, the finished picture. See that? I don't know how to do these yet to get them clear on there. If I move it a little bit further back, there you go. There. I'll move it up really slow. Nope, it wants to stay right there. I think you can see the picture better by looking at the painting itself. So the drills are all clear. Got nice drills in it. Yep. I mean the drill field. The symbols. The symbols. Yeah, they're really good. We got a phone ringing in here. Sorry about that. I got a phone down here in my office. So there are also 35 drills. So that's a pretty good size. Yep. See all those? All the colors? And got some color blocking back here. We'll have to see if that is 310s. So anyway, this is my beautiful other Christmas in July painting. With the weather the way it's been, it's really hard to think about Christmas right now. We just got over here in Port Orchard, Washington. We just got over our 3-4 day heat wave, and there was a couple times, a few times at 103, 109, and supposed to be record-breaking temperatures this last weekend. And so we had the house closed up. We had fans going. It was so hot that the dogs wouldn't even go outside. And they stayed downstairs with me. And I think I, said all this on my other video, but we're over it now. And today was probably about 78 out. And yesterday it dropped down to about 89. So we're coming down. And that's what's nice about this area is it doesn't stay hot very long. We have 3 or 4 days, maybe a heat wave, and then it starts to cool down. So we're back to normal now. So anyway, let's get off of that, and then we'll put this aside. And I'll show you the things that came with it. I've already opened one of these things. I got 2 of them. I've got this little thing. It's Day's Dream. But I opened one already. And it's kind of interesting. It's a little sticky thing. It's got a little sticker on the back, which, you know, you can see that it's, oh, there we go. There's the camera. But the interesting thing about it is it pulls apart and it becomes like a 3D sticker. So when it sits, you know, on a surface, it's going to stand up a little. See? I have never seen one of these before. I've never seen this kind. And then it just collapses again. So first time I ever got these, and they sent 2. And then the other thing was a set of tweezers. And you could tell they ordered these from China. So silver tweezers. They have a pretty nice, they have a pointy tip, but they're not so pointy. I think that they're going to stab you. That's good. I've gotten stabbed by tweezers many, many times. And it comes with 2 sets of boats. A light green one or lime green color. And it's got a pink diamond painting pen. And they put on a 7-placer. And there's all kinds of baggies in there. See that? Little pack baggies. And a square of red wax. So basically your standard one. And then here they sent 2 of them. And this one's got a long strip of red wax in it. But, oh, you know what it also, this one also has? I don't think that one does. This one looks like, let me get this open. It looks like, oh, they even sent stickers in this one. Look at that. Oh, that's cool to mark your drills with. That's cool. I always save these things too. So the red boat or the green boat, this one's darker green, a strip of red wax, baggies, always use baggies, and the pen. And yep, it is a 7-placer. Yep. And the single tip. So that's, I got 2 of those, so that's cool. That's nice. Okay, want to bring the drills over now? And we'll look at them. And you know, they're all crystal drills. Look at that. And the packages are marked with their numbers. There's a nice gold. Ooh, kind of orangey red. Another kind of orange. Here's a big package of red. Of course, you got to have red in there. Red for Christmas. And some more colors. These are pretty too. There's like a mauve color and a orangey pale peach color. Here's some more here. Different shades of, there's different shades of orange in the painting. And then what are these? These are kind of like I don't know, a mauve color too. Ooh, these are pretty. These are pretty. Look at those. Those are pretty. Whoop. There we go. Those are pretty. Kind of like a lavender. I'll have to see where those colors go. And what color is this? 12. What's 12? Let's look on the painting here and see what number 12 is. 815. Let's see. They have 3 10s and number 2. This is all color blocking of 3 10s, I bet, right here. So that'll be a little fun. And then there's lots of color blocking, actually. The reds on here. And there's, you know, the white down here. The white down here. So number 2, I think, is one of the first bags we went through. That was 3 10s. Anyway, just all kinds of pretty colors in it. See if I can put this in a little closer just so you can see the colors. Oh, where's my mouse? Okay, let's see if we can get it over. There we go. Can you see them a little better now? Number 2, there they are. Those are the 3 10s. So I got one full bag of these. Look at that. So that's going to be fun. It's all color blocking, like I said. And anyway, all these colors are really pretty. And every single one of them is a crystal. Cool. So this is going to be a lot of fun. And, you know, you got all your reds for Christmas time, all the different shades of red. All right. So there you go. So this is my next one to do. Or I'm going to be doing this one and the ornament one at the same time. So I'm excited. I'm excited to do this one. It turned out better than I thought. It looks better than I thought it would. I just love the reindeer in here. It's going to be so cute when it's done. Yep. Anyway, so I hope that you like this little unboxing just to see what came in it. So I'm going to stop for now before I start blathering again. And I just want to welcome all my subscribers. I hope that you're watching. I'm glad to have you here. And if you're new to my channel, well, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Tell me down in the comments section, you know, how you found me and what you think of my channel. And I do have I'm growing a playlist finally. So you can always go check out my channel, Everything Diamond Painting, and catch up on all the other videos that I put out and some of my unboxing stashes. So I think like my next unboxing stash is going to be like part 6 maybe. I think I did part 5. Anyway, I've got a lot of stash and I'm doing a series on that, on unboxing all of them, because a lot of them I haven't even taken out of boxes yet and they're just sitting there. And I want everybody to see them. Some of them have been shown already, and I'm going to be opening them, you know, late at time. But maybe you forgot about them or you didn't get them, and it'll be something nice for you to see. So, mumble, like I said, I am the mumbler. Anyway, the babbler, maybe the babbler is a better word. So, anyway, join my Facebook group too. Everything Diamond Painting with Joy. I always get that mixed up with my channel. Diamond Painting with Joy. And join it. If you answer all the questions, you don't need to be approved. But if you don't want to answer that questions, that's fine. Then you'll just have to wait till I see the notification and I can approve you. But I am doing a Christmas in July, not an event, but post your Christmas in July pictures. I just like to see all the Christmas pictures and, you know, see what companies you've ordered, and, you know, I just like looking. So, yeah, and it could be from anybody, any company, any type of diamond painting, crystals, regular drills, square drills, round, as long as it's Christmas themed. And post your works in progress as the month goes on. So it'll start tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. So if you're new, yeah, hey, you know, go ahead. If you have some Christmas themed paintings, you know, start working on them. So anyway, again, I'm going to say goodbye. And I'm glad you're here. And stay tuned for my next video. I enjoy having you guys, and I think I'm getting a little more relaxed doing these, so it's kind of becoming a little more fun. So anyway, bye.